Road Systems, Inc. made history in 2016 with the introduction of the MSKT, an energy-absorbing tangent terminal that is MASH Test Level 3 and Test Level 2 compliant. Since then, tens of thousands of MSKTs have been installed in nearly every state in the U.S., as well as internationally. RSI is now positioned for success once again with the MFLEAT, our new MASH 2016 Test Level 3 compliant flared terminal. The MFLEAT is the successor to RSI's NCHRP 350 fleet and is the only MASH 2016 Test Level 3 compliant flared terminal presently on the market. With the MASH sunset date of December 31, 2019 for flared terminals looming, it's likely 2020 will be a big year for the MFLEAT. The MFLEAT features the same field-proven technology as the FLEAT system, along with the same ease of installation our customers have enjoyed for years. But it introduces some new features, including an innovative bearing plate design, and it conforms to the more stringent MASH 2016 standards that have been specified by AASHTO and FHWA for new installations. Like the FLEAT, the MFLEAT combines the superior performance of an energy-absorbing tangent terminal with the advantage of flared terminals in reducing nuisance impacts. There are a total of 7 full-scale crash tests required for MASH guardrail terminals. As this crash test footage shows, during head-on impacts, the MFLEAT head slides over the W-beam guardrail. The rail is sequentially kinked as it moves through the head. The kinked guardrail exits the head safely, and the vehicle is brought to a controlled stop. When impacted along the side within the length of need, the MFLEAT functions like guardrail. The errant vehicle is contained and redirected back toward its original travel path. Other MASH test requirements include shallow-angled hits on the end and a reverse direction impact. In addition to safe and reliable performance, the MFLEAT presents additional advantages. Many of its parts are interchangeable with RSI's MSKT, which can result in savings on inventory costs and a reduction in the wrong parts being used during maintenance operations. Many of the states that use flared terminals on their roads have already approved the MFLEAT, while the remainder are expected to complete their evaluation soon. The state of Vermont is among the first to install MFLEAT systems. The Vermont Agency of Transportation, known as VTrans, approved the MFLEAT for use in September of 2019. Officials were eager to move ahead quickly with getting them on the state's roads the following month. But before any installations began, they wanted to prepare their maintenance forces and get them completely ready to work with the MFLEAT. So on a beautiful, sunny fall Vermont morning, RSI field representatives joined VTrans representatives and maintenance crews for a demo installation of an MFLEAT at a VTrans maintenance garage. Key maintenance personnel from every district in the state were on hand for the training. The day started with a shop briefing, explaining the reason for the demo and what was ahead. VTrans has their own guardrail post pounder and does their own guardrail and terminal repairs. So RSI reps worked with the crews to integrate their existing procedures with the installation of the MFLEAT and demonstrated how to undertake repairs when needed. The demo installation and the Q&A session afterwards proved to be beneficial for all those in attendance. As it happened, immediately prior to the demo installation, VTrans was informed that an existing NCHRP 350 fleet on one of the state's roads had just been impacted. So on the day following the demo, VTrans maintenance crews were dispatched to the site of the damaged fleet and successfully repaired it with an MFLEAT. In this way, Vermont's crews were able to put their newly acquired skills to immediate practical use. After the repair, VTrans sent photos to RSI with a note saying, "Thank you again for your effort in making this training a success for us at VTrans." RSI looks forward to working with other state departments of transportation in a similar way to ensure crews become familiar with the MFLEAT and are able to install it correctly and efficiently. We have also produced a detailed installation manual, which is available on our website. In addition, in early 2020, RSI will be introducing a complete online training course for installation and inspection of the MFLEAT, which will be similar to the online training already in place for the MSKT. This training will present important information about the product and then give all the tools and instruction needed to install and/or inspect the MFLEAT. MFLEAT is the only MASH 2016 Test Level 3 compliant flared terminal on the market today. To learn more about RSI's MFLEAT, visit our website at roadsystems.com or give us a call to discuss.